Hello everyone, I'm your teacher Umar. I hope you are all fine. In this video, we will talk about cell cycle. So before starting the lecture, I request all of you to please subscribe to my channel as well as like my video and click on the bell icon so you will get notified every time I upload a new video. So starting today lecture about cell cycle. What are our objectives of today's video lecture? We will diagram and label the cell cycle and understand each phase, identify cells in each stage of the cell cycle, and we will understand how the cell controls cell division. So, starting today's lecture, there are three major stages of the cell cycle: interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Interphase includes G1 growth 1, S DNA synthesis and G2 growth 2 phase. Mitosis, the phases of mitosis are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, and the cytokinesis, cytoplasm divided into two. So we can see how it looks like the cell division. Why do we care about cell division? Because cell division is the process of reproducing cells. This occurs during the growth, repair, and development of the tissues. How cell cycle look like we can check from this particular diagram. Repeating sequence of cellular growth and division throughout the life of an organism. These are the checkpoints of cell division. You can see that G1, this is G1 checkpoint, S interphase synthesis, G2, and this is mitosis checkpoint, cytokinesis and mitosis. Okay. The first growth phase, second DNA synthesis interphase, and second growth phase. What happens in G1 phase? Cell grow rapidly. Size of cell grow rapidly and carries out the routine function. Uh, Two phases take most of the this phase take most of the cell's life. So most of the cell's life encompasses G1 growth phases. Muscle and nerve cell never divide, so they remain in the G1 phase. The nerve cell and muscle cells they always remain in the G1 phase. B phase, this is the most important where the DNA is synthesized in the S phase or synthesis phase. DNA is copied. At the end of the stage, each chromosome consists of two chromatids attached to a center of the centromere. And the third one is the phase of interphase is the G2. How hollow microtubules are assembled. These microtubules will help in the division of the DNA as well as the division of the cytoplasm. Microtubules are used to move the chromosomes during the mitosis. As I have told you, these microtubules will attach to the each chromatid of the chromosome, and then it will help you to move apart the of the sister chromatid. Second phase, this is mitosis. Nucleus is divided into two nuclei. Each nucleus ends up with the same number of chromosomes as the original cell. This includes prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and the telophase. Cytokinesis, final stage of cell cycle is during final stage, cytoplasm divided. Okay, E movement or Kriyan movement. And how plant and animal cell move in the prophase. Okay, you can see this in plant. What is the difference between plant cell and animal cell? How can you differentiate? Please tell me in the comment. A large vacuole is present inside the plant cell. So prophase, plant, animal. So metaphase, plant and animal cell. Okay. Plant and animal cell in anaphase. Plant and animal cell in the telophase phase. Plant and animal cell in cytokinesis. Control of the cell cycle. Three checkpoint G1 decides when a cell can divide based on environmental conditions, health and cell size. Favorable conditions begin as phase. If not favorable, a resting period begins G0. Second, G2 checkpoint DNA repair enzyme check DNA replication. Once this checkpoint is passed, then mitosis begins. Mitosis checkpoint signals and a mitosis in G1 begins. What happens when checkpoint fails? Cancer can occur. Cancer is uncontrolled growth of cell. Mutation missed by checkpoint can cause overproduction of growth hormone. Damage done to a cell by environmental factor can cause cell to constantly repair. Okay. I think that's end of our today's lecture. We will meet you another video. Please like, subscribe and share. Okay.